Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here you are seeing unboxing of MI TV remote. I have purchased this TV remote from Amazon. Let's open it. Wow, this is the remote and this is the bill and other things. Okay, let's remove remote. It is in a box. Wow, it looks very nice. Also, it is in black color. We are using MI 4A Pro TV. For the TV, I have ordered this remote. This is the warranty registration. Registered your product under warranty before it too late. You can scan this QR code for registration. Okay. Here you go to insert two batteries and then it will work. Okay. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.